In this video I'm going to show you how to download the game Pool Stay on your PC. So what you have to do is open your Google browser, and before we start I would like to ask you to subscribe to our channel and like the video. Once you have done that, we need to locate the game, so we will go to the Steam website. After that, go to the search bar and search for the game Pool Stay. As you can see, if we click on it and scroll a little bit down, then there is a free demo available for this game, so you can try it out for free. Once you have decided to download the full game, then you can purchase it through the Steam store. Unfortunately, there is no cheaper available option at the moment. But stay tuned, maybe there is soon. Once you have added it to your cart, you can continue to the payment to buy this game. Once you have bought this game, you are able to download it on your PC. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!